Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here again for Jigglar, and today we're going to take a look at setting up your checklists. So to find checklists, you can search in the appropriate category. They're in different categories, but there's a way easier way to do it. All you need to do is type checklist into, you don't even need to alter or select anything there. Just type checklist straight into your search field up there, and all of the checklists within Jigglar will come up. So that's a pretty cool idea. We've got the home buyers checklist, we've got the moving checklist, and we've got the packing checklist also, and they're just different sizes there, as you can see. Also, we've got here an Instagram story checklist, and we've got a couple of social media ones as well. I really like setting these up as, this is a 5-page PDF, and I'm going to look at, which one will I look at? Doesn't really matter, I guess. I'm going to open this one. This is a 5-page home buyers checklist. So it's a great way to engage home buyers. Now, please keep in mind my experience or my anecdotal evidence around this is that 1 in 4 buyers are actually sellers. So offering buyers something, some information, some help, some assistance is a great way to bring them on board as a potential client, and you want to bring them into your contacts. And goodness, I hope you guys are all really focusing on building your funnel and having as many potential sellers come into your funnel, and then you're nurturing them. Perhaps another story for another day, but that is so important because that's what the best agents are doing. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do with this is, once I've opened it up, I'm going to click save. And I'm going to click save to my Jiggles. And I'm going to give it a name, in this case test, or I could have called it home buyers checklist. Now, the next thing I want to do is customize it. And if your details are set up correctly in your Jigglar account, all you need to do is click this awesome little time-saving button here. So I've just selected these random colors, okay? But select this tool here, Agency Colors, right? I click Apply, and voila, that headline orange, which is the primary color, is out there. Now, I need to do that on each page, but it's really simple, and I'll show you how to do it now. So, but doing that is actually really, really easy. Or to add your logo here, what I'm doing there is I'm highlighting that. I'm clicking delete on my keyboard. Then I'm going to browse my image library where my logos are already set up, and I'm able to choose a logo that I want to choose. They're just loading here at the moment. I pick a logo that I want to use. I've got that much stuff in here, I can't even find a logo. Where are we? Let me have a look. All right, let's say I pick this one here like that, the Best Agents logo, and I can put that straight into my design wherever I want. So you can just grab your logo and you can put it in there and do what you want to do. Okay, I'm going to click save. Then I'm going to go to my next page. I've already saved it to my Jiggles. So let's go to page 2, which is really simple to do. There again, I can quickly grab this tool. I can press apply, and I can it'll change it to my color. In this case, for example, this orange, and I can put the things in play here I want to do. So down here, you can obviously create the changes. I've been doing some stuff for this company here in Victoria in Australia. So I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and make sure that that works. Don't know anybody from Boise. And then I'm going to get out of that. I'm going to click save like that, and I can go on to, I put my logo into everything I need to do obviously on that page. I go to page 3. It's just saving, and then I'm going to, what am I going to do here? Lost my train of thought. I'm going to click apply, and so on and so forth. So you just get it looking good all the way through. Take a look at the wording here and just make sure, I mean, we go over this 1,000 times. Well, not 1,000 times. We go over this a number of times to make sure there's no typos, but things always sneak through. So just be very careful. There again, there's too many commas in there. I can change that out as and how I like. So that's all good. So if you want to expand it, I'm on a Mac. I just tap twice on my keyboard. I'm used to doing that. It brings it in. But you can really, if you want to lift things up a little bit, you can use this sliding bar here, this toolbar, which is an amazing tool because it just lets you bring everything a lot closer, and you can see things, a lot cleaner. If you want to say, if I wanted to bold, say the website here like that, I can simply highlight that and I click bold, and there it is. So you can do whatever you want. So let's say I've completed that. I've finished that page. Let me get this back to sort of normal in the middle. I'm going to click save. I've saved the document, and then I've got the opportunity to download it. Okay, thank you. Download it. In this case, I'm going to print it off in-house. I want to keep it as a PDF or as a document that I can upload to my service, and then my clients can download it. So maybe you want to have it as a feature on your website. You could have it as a drop-down on your toolbar. You could have it as a standalone Facebook ad. Get this moving checklist, get this home buyers checklist. So I think that's a pretty cool idea. Okay, there is my test, and here is my document. As you can see, nice and sharp, print ready, quality, all ready to go. I didn't customize those last 2 pages because I didn't want to spend a lot of time on that. So that's how that works. So I'm loving these. They're beautifully designed. They're really nicely set out. It's top quality. You would pay a pretty penny if you trotted along to your local design or graphics company to set these up. So let me get back into here. I've just done the home buyers checklist. You've got the moving checklist and you've got the packing checklist. So if somebody's let's say you sell a property and it's coming up for closing or settlement, say at the end of June. So at the end of, say, May, you want to get a message out to your client and say, hey, I know you're going to be moving soon. Here's a moving checklist. And then the next week you might want to send a packing checklist, or you might want to do it sooner. But you want to be able to automate that and have it as a tool that you can get out. So I really love the way these work. I think they're really, really cool. They're so easy to edit. And I think you can win a lot of new business with these babies. So dream big, take names, and call us if you need us.